Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can start and complete the Diver quest in Abyss Roblox. So first, to start the quest, you just need to talk to the Diver here across the Forgotten Deep. You can just talk to him and you'll get the quest. And to complete the quest in here, you just need to make some delivery. You can deliver the crate to Henry. And here I'm going to show you where you can find Henry. So you can go back to the Forgotten Deep, and Henry or NPC Henry can be found in the harpoon in here. This is Henry, so you can just hold the crate first and deliver it to him. So talk to Henry, and after that you can just click on give crate, and now the Diver quest is complete. But to get the rewards, you need to go back to the Divers and talk to him again. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.